Do you want to learn how to draw this adorable little boy with flowers for Mom for Mother's Day? If so, you are going to need paper to draw on. You are going to need something to draw with. You are going to need something to outline your doodle with, and you are going to need an eraser to erase any mistakes you might make. And don't forget the crayons, the markers, the colored pencils, or the paint, so you can add color to your wonderful doodle. Grab all of your supplies and let's get started. All right, guys, so Mother's Day is tomorrow, and I am super excited because I'm a mom, and I love spending time with my son. He is the greatest thing that ever happened to me, and he just gets so excited when he gets to give me things, and he always has. He's 7 now, but when he was little, I think my favorite thing was whenever the dandelions started to sprout, he would pick me a handful of dandelions and give them to me and tell me he got me flowers. And that will forever be my absolute favorite memory with my son. I'm sure I will have many more in the future, but ever since he learned to walk, that's just always something he's been able to do. So I am going to draw a little cartoon boy holding some flowers. And this is a perfect doodle if you're a boy for a mom for Mother's Day. So we are going to make our paper tall and skinny, which is vertical. So it's going to go tall this way and skinnier here. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to make a nice curved line for his head. So I'm going to come around here and just make a nice big, kind of like a U shape. Just a nice big curve. The curve's a little uneven. I could bring it all the way up. There we go. Make a nice big U shape. On the sides, and I only went halfway, so on the sides, I can do my ears. So I'm gonna go ahead and give my little boy his ears. And at the top, I'm gonna curve down. My Sharpies are all dead, and my other markers bleed too much, so I've gotta try to use my little paper mate here. He's not used to this kind of work. I'm gonna go through, and I'm gonna put in some zigzag lines for hair. He's a little shaggy right now. He said he doesn't want a haircut until quarantine is over. So that'll be interesting because his hair grows real fast. I did a little kind of a V here or an M if you do the whole thing. And then I'm going to curve around at the top of his head here and meet up. So now I've got his hair, I've got his face. And we can go in and add in his face. I'm going to give him just a little smile. I'm going to give him his eyes, so some nice big eyes, maybe with 2 shine marks since they're on the good sized side. Remember, I don't do 2 unless they're a pretty decent size. I usually do 1 or none. So this is a little boy, so I don't need any eyelashes or anything to help girlierize him because I'm going to do a girl doodle separate for all of you young ladies out there who want to doodle something for mom. This little curved U shape right here is going to be his neck. And then I'm just going to come down just a little bit and I'm going to go ahead and make a curved line. And this is going to be his body. This is kind of, he's going to be wearing a little jacket, I think. So this is going to be the curved lines here. And then I can go at the base and curve it together. And then I'm going to go back up to the top and now I'm going to curve down and out for his hand or his arm. So there's his arm on one side, and then I'm just going to do a curved line into his body for his hand over here. But over here, I'm going to have him holding flowers because it just makes me think of my little guy. So there is a nice rectangular arm over there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make his thumb first. So his thumb is going to kind of curve up and out like a backward C shape. And then we're going to make fingers. So I'm going to make kind of a curl. There's one finger, another little curl. And you can add a third curl if you'd like. I'm going to do that just so he at least has 4 fingers. And then the hand can go out into that curl, into that last little oval shape. And I have his hand like this because I'm gonna have him holding a little wad of flowers. But before that, I'm gonna finish off his jacket here. So I'm gonna come down with a straight line. I'm gonna give it a couple buttons. So maybe like 1, 2, 3 buttons, maybe a 4th one down here at the bottom because it looks a little goofy. And then maybe some curved lines for pockets here, or just a different color on his jacket. And then I'm gonna come down here and kind of curve in at an angle for his legs. So that way he can kind of have on pants. And I'll go down the middle, and I'm not going all the way up down the middle. I leave a little gap there because he does have legs. And then I'm gonna curve, again. So now we've got his little pants. And these are just gonna be very basic little characters for any artist to do. So we're not gonna do real feet, we're just gonna do these little curves. The fingers then are gonna be the most complicated part of this drawing. Now I'm gonna add in my horizon line. And if you wanted, you could add flowers all around the background. I just want him to be holding his flowers. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna draw in some straight lines, and they're gonna go right through, try not to go through his finger like I did, but they're gonna go right through his hand. So you are gonna have to go down the hand, and I'm just gonna do them at all different kind of lengths here. Kind of have them sprouting out. You can even add a couple extras down there. Maybe add a few extras up there. I'm gonna just have 4 stems because I wanna make daisies and they're all gonna kind of overlap. I'm just going to draw the little ovals here that go all the way out and around. And I'm gonna do that at each one, but I'm gonna let them all just overlap. So I'm not gonna worry about not having, like skipping around the other flower. I'm just gonna do the whole thing. And last one, and that just kind of will fill in my paper a little bit there. And I don't even have to color them if I don't want. I could just leave them white. And then I'm gonna throw a little heart up here because my son always has the best intentions when he goes and gets little flowers. So look at our little boy, how cute is he? I am so excited. I am going to use my Crayola Twistables to color. And you can use markers, paint, color pencils, crayon, whatever you like. But since my paper mate isn't a permanent marker, it will bleed. So I definitely want to make sure that I have crayon or something not water-based so it doesn't ruin my doodle. So go ahead and grab whatever it is that you would like to use, and let's go ahead and color this adorable little boy. Look at how cute our little boy turned out. He is adorable. I hope that you had fun doodling with me today. If so, please like, subscribe, and share the video. And doodle something fun for mom. There are so many awesome videos. You can grab whatever you like and make her a beautiful picture. And I'm sure that she would be so happy to have a one-of-a-kind doodle from you to hang up on a wonderful day like Mother's Day. Have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you again. Goodbye.